Hey guys, so let us continue with the third topic. First thing is welcome to the class. Forgot to welcome you in the last video. So now I'm welcoming you. Welcome to the class. Anyways, so we have the third problem over here. If sine A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Simple problem. It is a variation from what you have been doing so we have written VAR over here. It is level 2 plus, so it's medium, not too hard, not too easy. It's a medium problem. BCKGND, it means background. Anyways, what is that you have to know before you start off with this topic or with this question? Ratio in their simplest form. You need to know this before you start off with the topic. So what is ratio? Two quantities being compared by dividing, right? So we have x by y. Numerically, if I take over here 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the most simplest form because you cannot further divide it. Example 6 by 8. This is not the simplest form. This is nothing but 3 by 4 itself. So this is not a simplest form. So simplest form is nothing but wherein we cannot divide further. The ratios cannot be reduced further. They are co-prime numbers. So if you don't know what is co-prime, Google it around, learn about this. You have it for your first chapter. Hopefully you know about it properly. 10th standard. You have this. Anyways, coming back to co-prime number and the ratios. Say 3 by 4 could have been 300 by 400. It could have been 600 by 800. It could have been 30 by 40. What if it was 300 by 400? It is nothing but 3 by 4 into 100 into divided by 100. Again 3 by 4 into 200 by 200. This also can be written as 3 by 4 into 10 by 10. So basically all this constant can be cancelled and you can get the ratios in the simplest form to be 3 by 4. Guys, we don't know this. When they tell sine 3 by 4, the triangle could be 300 centimeter and 400 centimeter. It can be 600 centimeter or 800 centimeter. It can be 30 centimeter also. It can be 40 centimeter also. The sides, I mean. So always for this such problems, what we do is we assume that let k be the unknown constant that is common between the numerator and the denominator. Let me make it clear by drawing the diagram and starting off with the problem. So we have three-sided triangle and this is not proper. We have sine A na, so we'll name this as angle A, right angle at B, and the other angle is of course C. So what is that given? Given is sine A is equal to 3 by 4. What is the definition of sine? O by H. So what is opposite side with respect to angle A? Opposite is BC. BC by AC. So on comparing 3 by 4 and BC by AC, we can tell that BC is equal to 3K and AC is equal to 4K, where K is that, not that, we can't write that. K is a constant. What constant? There is constant 100 by 100, 200 by 200, 10 by 10, 5 by 5, 4 by 4. It can be anything in the world. It has infinite number of possibilities which we don't know. So basically what we do is we take it as K, making the diagram this. BC is equal to 3K, hypotenuse is 4K. So as usual, we have to find the third side, and the third side is given by your Pythagoras theorem. Write it fully, and we have AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So what do you have to find? AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. I want to teach you one trick. See guys, you have to find AB square, right? You can skip this step. You don't want this step, right? Directly this, no? You are not in 7th grade, 8th grade. It's okay for you to write this directly, but be careful when you're writing. So AC square is 4k whole square minus 3k whole square. So what is 4k whole square? 4 is getting squared and also k is getting squared. It is not just 4 square, it is 4k whole square. That's why I have the term whole. So we have 16k square minus 3k whole square. Whole, 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 whole. Yes, whole. 9k square. So we have 16 minus 9, that is 7k square, not whole square, square. So AB is equal to root of 7k whole square. So root 7 root k square. So what happens? People who know basic maths know that square and square root gets cancelled. So we have root 7k. So AB is equal to root 7k. Yes. And going back to the question, cos A and tan A has to be known. So, well, easy peasy. Cos A, now cos A is equal to A by h. What is A? A is root 7k. Hypotenuse 4k, which is equal to root 7 by 4. And I guess tan A is equal to O by A. What is opposite? 3k divided by root 7k. K gets cancelled. We have 3 by root 7. Yes, I have not cancelled it, but well, you need to cancel it. Let me cancel it for you. Nice. So you have 3 by root 7. So done with third question, I guess. We'll look at fourth question. Okay, it is a bit of variation, not a lot of variation. This is similar to your third problem and level 2. Not a plus, level 2 actually, that's enough. Not much. There is one thing over here which is not regular. 15 cot A is equal to 8. So 50 into cot A is equal to 8. We have one term on the left hand side. So if 15 has to move towards the right hand side, it will become division. So we have cot A is equal to 8 by 15. So what is cot? Cot is inverse of tan. Tan is O by A. Tan is O by A, so cot will be A by O. So let me draw a diagram as usual. So we have a triangle ABC, right angle at B. The same thing goes on and on and on. So we have same procedure, see, triangle ABC, right angle at B. So A now as adjacent side with respect to angle A, right? Angle A adjacent side is AB, while the opposite side is BC. So, well, adjacent side is AB, opposite side is BC. Therefore, AB is equal to 8k. Therefore, I didn't write therefore. And BC is equal to 15k, where let me write it small so that we can finish the question fast. Here now, where is constant. Please write it fully again. So what is unknown? Unknown is your hypotenuse, right? 15k, 8k. How much is this? By Pythagoras theorem, we have, since we have to find AC square, let me write it AC square directly. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, which is equal to 8k whole square plus 15k whole square. So which is equal to 8k whole square, which is equal to 64k square plus 15 is 225k square. When you add it, 9. Hey, why am I writing 6? 9, 8, 2k square. Therefore, AC is equal to root of 289, that is 17. Root of k square is k. So hypotenuse is 17k. Then what you have to find? Sine. Sine is easy peasy. O by h. Opposite is 15k divided by 17k, k by k. So 15 into k, 17 into k. I'm just writing in that manner. Don't get confused. Don't get confused. So we have k and k and k getting cancelled. That is 15 by 17. What is sec? Think. Pause the video. Think. What inverse is sec? Whose inverse? Whose enemy? It's not tan and cot, because I just spoke of it. It is cos. Cos is a by h. So this will be h by a. Hypotenuse is 17k. Adjacent is 8k. So this is equal to 17 by 8. Done. How many minutes? Okay, I can't continue with the next problem. So I'll end this. Guys, again we have fifth problem. I'll just talk to you about it. Secant, calculate all the other trigonometric ratios. Let me do this fast. So, okay, I'm an invisible layer. Okay. Secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. What is secant just now? Inverse of cos, h by a. H by a, hypotenuse is 13. Adjacent is 12. Calculate the other side. Then you have to find all the other trigonometric ratios. Please do it. You have answers in your textbook. Check it. It's a good exercise. I'm not going to do the fifth problem. It's a homework. Please do it. It's not easy. If you are, you should not be confused. If you have listened to my classes, you should not be confused. There's nothing to it. Please don't do silly mistakes. Draw the diagram neatly. Calculate it properly. Make your presentation good. You will get the answer. So see you in the next video. That is based on problem number. Oh, they have some surprise. See you. Bye. Bye.